Super Monkey Ball. Banana Blitz.
Hello and welcome to Super Monkey Ball. I'm going to play this game because I feel like playing it. I haven't played it in quite a long time. There was this main game, but okay. So yes, I don't know. I'm just doing it. There you go. I'm going to be a doctor because I like doctor. Not sure why. Oh god, no. Right, let's start from the beginning, shall we? Play rest of world, play from beginning. Yes. Fantastic intro, isn't it? I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, there's some bananas. They're all just standing there like, oh look, some bananas. And then they get crushed by a thingy. It's been taken by a pirate with claws. Okay. Anyway, let's get the ball rolling, shall we? Oh, I made a pun. Okay, right. So we remote. How am I doing this? Let's do this. And my commentary's all over the place. Okay. 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 I think I've got it. There we go. There we go. There we go. I'm not quite sure which angle to point it at to have it stop moving. I guess I should work that out really, shouldn't I? So is it, do I, no, nearly flat, but not flat. That's not very useful. Okay. I'm rolling a ball. Along the... I have no control whatsoever. If you have motion sickness or vertigo, then I apologize greatly. Oh god. Oh god. Oh. It's in the second level. Oh, what? Oh, okay, that's a ledge. Here we go. Open the pause menu to save the replay. I'm not sure what button that is, so I'm just going to keep going. Ready? No, I'm not. I can jump here. Ah! So, look at me, I am the doctor. I run around with huge sleeves. I have no control of my ball. Dear lordy. I will go here. That looks very easy. I want the big bananas. I want the big bananas. I'm doing so well. I'm looking forward to the later levels when there is nothing to hold you on the platform. Everyone loves the bonus stage. Oh god. Right. Bananas. Bananas. Yes. Bananas. Bananas. Come on. Come on. Don't miss any. Time is of the essence. Time is of the essence. Time. Okay. I think we got this. This is easy. Oh, there we go. That's what we need to do. Haha! We have 34 seconds left to spare. Oh. Okay. What have we got here? Something easy, I hope. It's the first set of levels, of course it's going to be easy. Offense! Oh! That was easy. What am I doing? Go! I just love it when games are easy. Come on. Down the hill! Whee! Oh, oh, oh god. Oh, I'm bouncing off everything. I'm okay. I'm okay. Whee! Ah! Whoa! Oh god. Please land it. Ah! I thought I was gonna die then. I hope I don't die on these first set of levels, but if I do, then it's not really that much of a surprise. Yeah, come on. I think I'm getting a knack of this. I think. I like Monkey Ball. Oh. Oh. Oh no! What? Like always, I say I might fall, and then I fall. Let's see how far we can Iron Man if dead. Right. Oh, oh, and jump! There we go. And where's the end? Where's the end? There it is. Yay! Okay. Last level and then a boss, I think. Come on, turn! Turn! What was that? Oh, it's a birdie. Hello, birdie. Oh, he's blowing wind! His birdie has a serious wind problem. Oh, don't blow me off! Don't blow me off! I'm okay. I was trying to press a boost button then, but apparently there is no boost. Of course there's no boost, it's Super Monkey Ball. Oh, here we go! Boss battle! Guess where you have to hit. Obviously the giant pulsating light bulb wart on top of his head.
Ready?
I'm ready. Maybe. Just show me where to go. Ha! See, that was easy. You ain't got nothing on this. Oh, what? Ah, there we go. Oh, he nearly knocked me off then. Come on, attack me! Attack me! We've got wind. Oh, oh, he's flapping me with his wings. There we go. Come on, show me your... Oh, hello, he's got it. Go! There we go. That was an easy boss. I was like... I think I just dropped something. And he releases a banana. I think there's 8 bosses, but I might be wrong. And 2 sets of bonus levels, which are the bee's knees. No, they're not. They're horrible. Okay. Oh, what? Credits? We're on the first, the first thing. Hello. Oh, 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 oh. Get the bananas, you fool! Where are you? Where'd you get? There he is. Ooh, what's that? I want to touch it! I want to touch it! I want to... I missed it. Oh, it's just a bumper. Okay. Well, that's kind of boring. New record? Okay. New record. Whoa! That's how you work it, okay. F. Oh, this is so awkward to control. A. Fan. Dada. Fan. 6 letters. That's not very... Fangoo. There we go. That's my real name, Matt, apparently. That's... No, I do not want Ultra Heaven. Jumble Jungle. How to play? It's... easy. Right. Let serious times begin.
Ready? Go!
Ding ding. Blip. The only reason I'm doing this anyway is because I can't be bothered to commentate properly on anything lately. So if you get to this fluff. I'll get back to Project Zero. And reading! Can't control. Come on. There we go. There we go. Next level is looks like a maze. What's done this way? Doesn't look like... Oh, some bananas. That's lovely. Ooh, bananas. Don't fall off. Oh, I hate these little pyramid things. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Over the hills and... Ooh. Oh, there we go. I have no control over this. Got no control over this at all. Ready? I was born not ready. Oh god, slow down, you fool. I'm the doctor. Ooh, I'm rolling down it. Oh god, I can't control it. Okay. What was that? Ow, oh, oh, no, no! Okay. I'm okay. I'm not okay! Go round. I can't even get on the pole. I want to try that. I want to try it. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, you blast. Come on. Get on there. Get on there. You got the banana. Get on the pole. Get on the pole. Get on the pole. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. I couldn't get in the pole. Probably need a higher jumper or something. I see spinny things. I see more spinny things. Yeah. Got nothing on there, so... Oh god, it's going fast. It's going really fast. Okay. I'm okay. I'm not okay. I'm okay. Oh, god. Get there in the end. This looks like a very easy bonus stage. Let's go! 60 seconds. No problem. I'm apparently going 40 miles an hour, that's... Oh, I missed a banana! I missed a banana! I got a 1-up though. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh god, these bumps are getting a bit more bumpy. There we go. Dum 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 dum. I saw a shortcut. I'm going to take that shortcut, and I'm going to own it. Hopefully. Hopefully I shall own it. Oh god, 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 oh god! Oh my god, I done it. Ooh. That was amazing, I made that. Got 2 minutes. Is it hard or is it easy? If it's giving me 2 minutes. Come on, Wiimote! Oh, stop! Huh. Yes. Yes. Yeah, there we go. Stop moving! Get on there, get on there, get on... There we go. Is that it? Is that all the challenge of the thing? Oh god, bouncy stuff. Oh. That goal looks like the old Looney Tunes. And that's all, folks. Thing. Not quite sure what's up with this, so we'll just go with it. There we go. Slow down! Thank you. Slow down. Slow down. Okay. I think we're okay. What is that? Oh! They're moving platforms. I don't like moving platforms. Oh, ow, ow. I'm okay. Come on. There we go. Ah. Oh, that was easy enough. Ugh. What do we have here? Some things. Slow down. What's this? Got weird thingy here. Let's go in it. Okay. Yeah, it moves. It moves. Get the bananas. Oh god. I'm falling. I'm falling. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm professional! Well, poo. Go! Go, doctor! Go faster! Go faster! Go! Unless you can ignore that now, because there's only bananas on it. Oh, there's only bananas on that one as well. I see the end! Oh, it's in the middle of this one, that's joyful. Please, thank you. Come on, come on, come on, come on! Don't fall down! Don't you dare fall down! Don't! I see at the end! There we go. Holy God. And, what?
I don't know what that is.
No, hit the bombs, okay. Shoot bombs with giant buttons to reverse it, that's clever. What's he doing? Shoot those bombs at me, I dare you. Ah, see? Ah, easy boss. I suppose this game is very easy. On some level. Come on. Come on. Ow. Does that do anything with my time if I get hit? I don't know. Come on. Oh, you do. There we go. Whoa, I was nearly off the edge. I should be more careful. Is there anything to do with this bridge? Or, oh, it's just bananas up there, okay. Ow. Come on. Oh, okay. Go! Going. This way. This way. No, I'm not. He's going that way. And wait for it, wait for it. There we go. That was easy. Shoot me, I dare you. I dare you to shoot me. Oh, what? Ow. Had to flip. I missed it. There we go. Another 3 times? I don't know. Come on, come on. Okay, it's halfway. Means 3 more. What's he doing? He's changing his pattern. Oh my god. What? Aha, got them all. Oh, but he took damage from like 2 of them. Ugh. What's he all the way over there? That's it's a little bit awkward, man. Dude. 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 Oh, he's over here now. Okay. That's a bit weird. Ow. Well, you're not awkward at all, are you? Golden banana! I love a golden banana. I have a golden banana. Golden, golden banana. This is me playing games. I'm not entirely concentrating on what the F I'm doing. I'm going 500 miles an hour. That's... I'm breaking the sound barrier! Again. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Oh, oh, there we go. Get the banana! Get the banana! Get the banana! Yay. Second. Ah. I don't care. Okay. I'm gonna stop the recording and then I'll continue next time with smooth sherbet. Yes. Well then. Okay.